So about 2 months ago, I cut off all of the blonde highlights that I had on the ends of my hair. And the last few months, I just been slowly trimming the ends, but there is still some raggedy pieces just holding on that I need to get rid of. So it's like I'm combing through, brushing through, and there's like this clean, like here you go, this clean line of demarcation that's like, here's good natural virgin hair, and here's like these ratchet ends. So I decided, let me cut right above that line. And here we go. I was very nervous to have done this, and you see now the comb is much more smoother as it glides through my hair. So now that I got smooth ends, I'm ready to style the hair. I had already applied product, which I had combed and brushed through. And now I'm just taking the hair and twirling it around my fingers about once or twice. So kind of combining the finger coils and shingling method for my wash and go. And here are the final results. Juicy and defined hair. I love it. I'm so glad I decided to cut off those raggedy ends, and now I can continue forth in my natural hair journey.